Green.
G-R-E-E-N. Pick a number.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now ask me a question.
Will I be rich and famous?
Now pick a number.
2.
Unable to determine. I've decided for my speech to do what some people call a cootie catcher, but also known as a fortune teller. Pretty much what it comes down to, you have 4 different colors. Usually it's blue, red, yellow, and green. Then you put the numbers of 1 through 8. And then underneath it all, you have to write down like yes or no, kind of like an 8-ball. Now I'm going to show you.
Open it back up.
Now I'm going to have to show you how I made. Usually use markers for the colors, but right now I don't have any colors, so I'm a little broke. So how you start out is you always want to have an even sheet of paper. So right now I'm using printer paper. So you have to go like this so you can get it even sides. And then what I usually do is I would have scissors, but since you make it even on each side, you have to get on the line, make sure it's even, and cut the excess off. Like so. Okay. Here we go. See, most kids usually make these like in high school, middle school, elementary. You know, little things to do when you're bored and have fun. Kind of like some people play the game MASH. Tear the excess off. This was one of my favorite pastimes as a kid. I was always bored. There we go. So it's pretty much even, I guess you can say. And then you want to fold it back the other direction. Okay. That way you have an access point in the middle so you know where your corners go. Now you go opposite, you go into the middle to the intersection. And you do that on every single side. Like so. Try to get it even. It's a little off, but it'll still work. Then you flip it back over so the folds are down on the ground, and then you'll see squares. You take those corners up into the middle, like so, just like you did on the other side. It's a little off still. That's okay. It still works. And then what I do is I fold it in half. Then I fold it in half again. And then I fold it like this. So it's into your little square. And like that again. So it gives you more of the fine lines so that way it works. And then I make into triangles. Just so you make creases so that way when you go to open it up, it's a lot better. So what you do, you get one finger, and you bring this one up. And so you have your cootie catcher. Now, I usually fold it like this when you're done. I gotta get the marker. It fell. I just tore it. That's okay. It'll still work. Trust me. I've done this a lot. bit more careful, but you want to get it back to right here. And then lay it down like that, like you had it originally. And then you want to put the colors on. Red, blue, green, and yellow. As so. And then right here, it doesn't matter where you start, you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then on the inside, you open all the flaps. You write down like yes, but make it random. No, maybe. The stars say yes. The stars say no. Unknown. Your future
Sucks.
is bright. And then ask later. Once you get it all written in, you should have it all like that. And then you have these fold back in to have all your numbers. And then you just fold it back up into the actual cootie catcher. And there you go. It's a finished product. And as you can see in the beginning, you do pick a color, you do the letters, then you pick a number and then do the numbers again. And then you pick another letter, another number, and then they have to ask it a question. And whatever you flip up is their answer.